Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to block dangerous downloads in Opera browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Opera includes built-in protection that helps block malicious websites and unsafe file downloads. So let's get started. First open Opera browser and then click on the menu icon in the top left corner. In the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Under Opera Settings, in the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. On the right, click on Security. Under Security Connections section, you will find this one option, Protect Me from Malicious Sites. Turn this one toggle. That's it. Now Opera will automatically warn you or block dangerous and suspicious downloads before they can harm your system. This helps protect your computer from malware and unsafe files. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.